How to change the cover theme of your Wix website. So here from the main page of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. If we want to change the cover theme of our website, we'll click on this fourth option here with the A letter and the little watermark drop, and we're going to click on Site Design. From here, you will be able to see the cover theme in the very first slot, and we can click on it and we can choose the covers which we want to see on our website. So for example, the second option here is the color of all of the text. As you can see, I've just changed it to red and I can change it back to black. Now, if I want to change the base color here, then I can simply click on the first slider and I can move it all the way around here. And as you can see, this changes my website's primary color. Once we're done with this, we can click on apply and this will change it. We can also change the accent colors here, as well as we have options for advanced settings and you can play around with those as well. But that's how you do it. And one more way of how you can do this, we can change the theme here directly from the featured themes. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.